What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today, I'm going to be bringing you what I believe could be the next possible 100x AI project. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
All right, so the project I'm going to be covering today is called MindAI. At the current moment, it is trading at a price point of $16.87, and it has a market cap of only 17 million. Now, this is a very new project, and I want to be very transparent. If you look at DEX tools, this is the daily time frame. This project released on March 15th, which means anytime you have a very new project, it is going to be very high volatility. This crypto could crash tomorrow. I just want you to understand that. All of that being said, the circulating supply is 1 million out of a max supply of 1 million. Just to put this in perspective, the max supply on Bitcoin is 21 million, and that is thought to be extremely scarce. MDAI is only 1 million, which means theoretically it could get to a price that is way higher than that of even Bitcoin. Now, do I think that'll happen? No, I do not. But I'm just saying from a supply standpoint, there will be 20 million more Bitcoin in existence. Now, MDAI also reached an all-time high of $33 and is currently down 48% since then, and it reached those levels 2 days ago. Now, I do also want to be very transparent on one other thing. My Discord was talking about this crypto on March 16th. Shout out to my boy Manchester for finding this crypto. But at that time, I was reviewing it, and it had a market cap of only 1.9 million, which means that it was also trading at a price point of $1.90. And this crypto shot all the way up to $33.10. Just to put that in perspective, if you had invested at that time, you could have made up to 1,642%. Those are absolutely incredible gains. Now, unfortunately, I did not buy into it at that time. I wish I did, as I even gave it a great review. But all of that being said, and even the missed opportunity on my part, I still believe this is a crypto that could do extremely well and possibly even 100x. I will get into it a bit later, but they have some major connections and partnerships. And not trying to be cocky, but we have been nailing some AI projects this entire bull run. We nailed Graphlink Protocol for a 40x. We nailed AGI for over a 15x. We nailed AI Tech for over a 15x. And I believe this crypto could be the next one of those. Now, the kicker is if you want to buy this crypto, you have to buy it through Uniswap. It is only on decentralized exchanges. But at the same time, that is how you know you are getting in early. But now I'll go ahead and read through what MindAI actually is. So MindAI is an intelligent interactive ecosystem directly available via Telegram. Here, accessing advanced AI capabilities becomes as simple as sending a message. With over 70 personalized AI interactions, MindAI stands out as the first platform to offer such a wide range of services tailored to your needs. And no complex programming is required. Harness the power of ChatGPT versions 3 and 4 combined with the decentralized network of BitTensor. So obviously, just right off the bat, you can see it clearly checks the AI narrative. And I am one of the people that believes a decade from now, we are going to look back at this bull run and this is going to be classified as the AI bull run. So I love any crypto that checks the AI narrative. But I also do want to point out on DEX tools, it has a 99 out of 99 score. Now, does that mean it's a great project? No, it does not. But it's definitely better than seeing like a 60 out of 99. And then here is the one issue I have on MindAI. It has a 5% buy tax and a 5% sell tax. And the contract is renounced, which is actually a good thing to see, but that means that the taxes are not going to be changing until they get listed on centralized exchanges. Now, is this 5% tax the end of the world? Absolutely not. For example, had you bought it initially and you made 1,642%, it wouldn't have made any difference at all. You would have made so much money, it's not even funny. But I do want you to be aware there is a tax. In my eyes, this is not a short-term swing trade. This is more of a mid to long-term hold. But now we'll take a quick glance at their website. Unlock the power of your personal assistant with MindAI. Empower your business with cutting-edge artificial intelligence designed just for you. And I was reading through their white paper last night, and I thought it looked very good. Now, I'm not going to show it here because it's very long, but I recommend looking into it if you are going to invest in this project. In my humble opinion, their mission and goals look very promising. But they are also powered by OpenAI, which is a good thing to see. But then here are some of the very exciting things. 100% revenue share and then a 200% APY on staking. Now, this does depend on how long you actually stake for, but 200% is absolutely insane. And I'm going to be honest with you, usually when I see a 200% staking, I am very skeptical. Now, in this case, I am still a little bit skeptical, but they have put a lot of funds aside for staking. In fact, if you look at their wallet addresses, their staking wallet is by far the largest with over 46% of the supply. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at their X account. And this is one of the biggest things I want to point out is who is following them. Two of the names that are standing out in particular, Altcoin Gordon and Altcoin Daily. 1.5 million followers, and then 450,000 followers. Both of them have huge audiences, so if they start posting about this crypto, it could absolutely explode. In fact, altcoin Gordon actually already posted about it a couple days ago. Well, I guess at the time I'm recording this yesterday. But he said, great stuff from MindAI. One of my AI picks. Had a great launch and continuing to build. Just what I like to see. But the fact that he said one of my AI picks means he's probably going to continue talking about it. Obviously, that's not guaranteed, but it could happen. But I recommend coming over to this page and reading through some of their comments. They have some massive connections, and a lot of those connections could absolutely skyrocket the price, especially when this crypto has a market cap of only 17 million. That is still very small. But while we are on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, and I'm constantly calling out opportunities that I'm seeing in the market. And a lot of the times I'm calling out microcap gems that I think could 100x. So I think you guys will get some very useful information. But now I do also want to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers: a general Discord / trader tier, an exclusive tier, and then a VIP tier. But there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And just understand, a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems. As I showed you earlier in the video, you could have known about MindAI at a $1.9 million market cap. And even at the current moment, you'd still be holding over 800% gains. But just to show you guys the gain section in the Discord, we have been making some incredible gains and thousands of percent on AI projects. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage, and it's also in the description of the video. I would love to have you guys in here. We truly are building an amazing community. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is actually MindAI on the 4-hour time frame. The daily time frame, there's not a whole lot of information. Now, the first thing that stood out to me is that MindAI is forming a falling wedge, which break up 68% of the time. And this in particular has a measured move up to about $33.41, which would slightly create new all-time highs. In addition, if you look at the candle right before this most recent one, it is a textbook bullish hammer, which shows that this was a very strong support level. And usually when you see something like that, there's a pretty good chance you're going to get a bounce. Now, the one thing that I don't like at the current moment is that we have broken beneath the 21-day moving average. However, I don't think that is super relevant because this crypto is still extremely new. We ran up so fast that we were bound to have a violent correction, and that is exactly what happened. Now, if we pull a Fibonacci on this crypto, you can see that we are trading just above the golden pocket. However, we did come down and wick beneath the golden pocket, which is usually a very strong accumulation zone, and you can see we bounced above that instantly. So in general, I do think MDAI looks actually very good right now. However, I do want to be crystal clear. There's always a chance that this does break down even further. Again, this is a very new crypto, so we don't have a whole lot of information to go on, but it checks a lot of the boxes that I'm personally looking for. But now lastly, I do also want to show you Bitcoin just because it's correlated to most altcoins. If Bitcoin skyrockets, there's a good chance we'll skyrocket. If Bitcoin drops, there's a good chance we'll drop. And now at the current moment, Bitcoin has broken beneath the 21-day moving average. That's not ideal to see. However, it's not the end of the world. You could argue that Bitcoin is forming a bull flag, which also, like the falling wedges, break up 68% of the time. And this in particular would take us to about $79,000, which would put us at new all-time highs. However, the one thing that I want to point out is the weekly time frame on Bitcoin. And that is that price action is still trading way above all of the moving averages. And if you look back in Bitcoin's history, we always come back and retest these levels. So there's definitely a chance that Bitcoin does continue dropping, or at least starts trading sideways for quite some time. And that would give the moving averages time to actually catch up. However, to that point, if Bitcoin can actually find its footing, that could be very good for altcoins. It could give altcoins the opportunity to actually start running because Bitcoin dominance has been super high during this initial pump. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments if there are any other cryptos that you would like me to cover in the future. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.